हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो गाइस आप सभी। ओके, सो वंस अगेन वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ यू। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वेलकम यू ऑन द अनअकैडमी प्लेटफॉर्म। लेट्स क्रैक इट। टॉकिंग अबाउट टुडे क्लास, आज की क्लास की बच्चों अपन बात करें। सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग ऑन टुडे क्लास। यस, आज की क्लास में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं आपसे यस योर हाफ ईयरली एग्जामिनेशन पेपर। यस, आपका हाफ ईयरली पेपर इन विच आई विल टेकन आउट चैप्टर 1, 2, 3 एंड 4। चैप्टर 1, 2, 3, 4 हम डिस्कशन करेंगे। चैप्टर 1 इज व्हाट, रियल नंबर्स। यस, डिस्कस फर्दर करेंगे। About me, if you want to know about me, who am I? I'm your math tutor. Okay, and guys, all of you know that I'm MTech graduate and from last 5 years regularly mentoring for JEE or NTSC students. I'm Aman Gupta, your own math educator. Okay guys, and as I promised to you, I will solve out your all class 9th, 10th as well as NTSC level problems. आपकी क्लास 9th, 10th और NTSC की all problems हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं इस चैनल पर। ओके या, सो लेट्स क्रैक इट। ओके, and if you are going for any subscription with Unacademy, use my code SPAG10 for getting 10% referral discount. Coming to next, if I'm talking about the contents of today's class, our first chapter is real numbers, second one is polynomials, third one is coordinate geometry, next is linear equation in two variables, which are most dominating for your half yearly exams. Yes बच्चों, as your half yearly exams are coming very soon. Okay, yes, almost next 15 days में आप सबके half yearly exams announce हो चुके होंगे. So these are the four your starter topics which are dominates in your half yearly exams. Okay, I will tell you most important or most dominating questions from these chapters. Okay, चलिए, so start करते हैं अपन. What are the most dominating questions from these chapters? Okay guys, चलिए, so yeah, just a minute. Okay, चलिए, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपके सामने, सिंप्लीफाई इट. ओके, 2 मार्क्स का सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है बच्चों आपके सामने. यू हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस टू, मतलब इट्स अ 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन, पार्ट ए एंड पार्ट बी. ओके, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन पार्ट ए, लुक इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to focus on the basic concepts. As I tell you, if any variable a to the power this, so it will be what, a to the power m to the power 1 by n. Okay, you have to follow like this. So what I can do here, it is 2 to the power 2 and that will going to be power 1 by 3 and whole power will be 1 by 4. So what I get finally, मुझे क्या मिला बच्चों, it is 2 to the power 2 multiply 1 by 3 multiply 1 by 4. So finally it will be 2 to the power 2 by 12 and I'll get 2 to the power 1 by 6. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm simply open up the powers. Okay, yeah, similar task I have to do here. चलिए, तो 81 to the power what, minus 2 multiplied by 1 by 4. क्लियर है बच्चों? चलिए, so I can write it 81 to the power minus 1 by 2. And guys, if I place minus inside, then it will be 1 by 81 to the power 1 by 2. And you know that I can write it as 1 by 9 whole square multiply 1 by 2. So that will be 1 by 9. Clear everyone? Yeah, is it clear or not? Okay, next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है आपका बच्चों, दैट बिलोंग्स फ्रॉम योर रैशनलाइजेशन. यस, दिस क्वेश्चन कन्वे यू अबाउट रैशनलाइजेशन. Okay. So what is given to you? Root 32 plus root 48 divided by root over 8 plus root over 12. Okay. चलिए बात करते हैं अपन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बेटा क्या करेंगे अपन लोग, सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे पहले, ठीक है, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग टू सॉल्व। रूट 32, लेट्स सी व्हाट आई कैन राइट इट। कैन आई राइट इट रूट 16 मल्टीप्लाइड 2, so that may be 4 root 2. Similarly, if I go with root 48, I can write it root 16 into 3, it will be 4 root 3. Okay, and similarly if I go with root 8, I can write it what? Can I write it 2 root 2? And similarly if I go with root 12, I can write it 2 root 3. तो बच्चों अपन ने क्या किया, हमने क्या किया, ऑल फोर को, जो फोर नंबर्स गिवन है अपन को, हमने उनको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में नोट डाउन कर लिया। ओके, सो रूट 32 विल बी नाउ व्हाट? रूट 32 विल बी 4 रूट 2 प्लस रूट 48 विल बी 4 रूट 3 divided by root 8 will be 2 root 2, root 12 will be 2 root 3. I think clear होना चाहिए सभी को। चलिए, so if I take 4 common from the numerator part, it will be root 2 plus root 3. And if I take 2 common from denominator, it will be root 2 plus root 3. This will be cancel out, 4 by 2 will be 2. Okay guys, clear? चलिए, next important question. Yes, recurring decimals. Yes बच्चों, आपके हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम्स के लिए this question will be important in the 4 marks. 4 marks की वेटेज रहेगी आपके इस क्वेश्चंस की, surely. Yes, find the value of this in the form of P upon Q. So guys, you can take it as a X. Okay, so if I take it as a X, then it will be 1.999999 as so on. What I tell you in these questions, what are the repeating numbers? Is 9. Okay, yeah, so first take one time before the decimal. So I will multiply by 10, that will be 19.9999 as so on. नंबर आएगा बच्चों नीचे, x is equal to 1.9999 as so on, divided by minus and minus. 10x minus x will be 9x is equals to, guys देखिए 19 point something minus 1 point something, it remained what? 18. So x will be 18 by 9. So what I can write? 2 over 1 and equivalent with P over Q. Clear everyone? That question gives you 4 marks in your half yearly exam. आपके हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम में बच्चों 4 मार्क्स आपको ये क्वेश्चन देकर जाएगा. So be careful and practice about these type of questions. Okay, next. Okay, now statement based questions भी आपके एग्जाम्स में आ सकते हैं बच्चों. Yes, which type? Yes, आपको बताना है ट्रू और फॉल्स. Each 2 root 2 over 3 is a rational number. आपको बताना है ट्रू और फॉल्स, है ना? Is it true or false? So let's check it. Root 2 over 3. So guys tell me, is root 2 a rational number? No. We all know root 2 is an irrational number. Either we know 3 is a rational number, but root 2 is irrational. So overall number is irrational. But they are saying what? ये बोल रहे हैं कि it's a rational number. What we say? False. Okay, next. There are infinitely many integers between any two integers. What I am saying, there are infinitely many integers. अब बच्चों, many integers between two integers. So if I take any two integer randomly, 2 and 5. So can you please tell me how much integers are present between these two? इन दोनों के बीच में कितने integers present होंगे बच्चों? So you clearly can say to me, sir, only 3 and 4 is present between these two. Yes or no? है ना? But what they are saying? They are saying infinitely many integers. That is not possible. है ना? जो कि possible नहीं है. So again this statement also false. Clear guys? Okay. Next is what? Number of rational number between 15 and 18 is finite. चलिए 15 and 18 के बीच में रैशनल नंबर जो हैं, what we want? Rational number are finite. No. As we know that between any two rational number, there may be infinitely many rational numbers present. Like that, what I can write, guys? 31 over 2. है ना? 32 over 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yeah. 33 over 2, 34 over 2. है ना? I can write 46 over 3, 47 over 3, 48 over 3. A lot of numbers can be possible between these two. Because here we are talking about what? As I tell you previously, what? Between any two rational numbers, there may be infinitely many rational numbers. Okay. Yes, दो फिक्स रैशनल नंबर्स के बीच में बच्चों इनफाइनाइटली मैनी रैशनल नंबर्स प्रेजेंट हो सकते हैं. क्लियर एवरीवन? गो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू हियर, इस क्वेश्चन में आपने क्या करना है बच्चों? इफ px इज इक्वल टू, यस, एक पॉलिनोमियल गिवन है आपने. इफ px पॉलिनोमियल दिस इज इक्वल्स टू x स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 3, then evaluate this. This question can give you 2 marks in your exams surely. If we are going to solve it, what we can write? So we have to find first p of 2, means value of this polynomial at x equal to 2, and p of minus 1, value of this polynomial at x is equal to minus 1, and p of 1 by 2, value of this polynomial at x equal to 1 by 2. क्लियर है गाइस? चलिए बात करते हैं. तो p of 2 फाइंड करते हैं अपन सबसे पहले. इट विल बी 2 स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू 2 प्लस 3. सो दैट विल बी 4 माइनस 8 प्लस 3. 4 प्लस 3 7 माइनस 8 माइनस 1. p of minus 1 will be, minus 1 square will be 1, minus 4 into minus 1 plus 3. Guys, what I am doing? I am putting the value of x minus 1 in this polynomial. So that will be 1 plus 4 plus 3, and that will going 8. p of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square will be 1 by 4 minus 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3. That will be 1 by 4 minus 2 plus 3. That remains 1 by 4 plus 1, and that will be 5 by 4. क्लियर है बच्चों? अपन ने क्या किया? अपन ने p of 2 की वैल्यू फाइंड की, देन p of minus 1 फाइंड किया बच्चों, है ना? And then what we find, P of 1 by 2 will be 1 by 4 minus 4 by 2 plus 3. That gives you what? 1 by 4 minus 2 plus 3. ठीक है, चलिए, तो 1 by 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 4. We get all three values. Come on here. P of 2 is minus 1 minus P of minus 1 is 8. P of 1 by 2 is 5 by 4. So it will be minus 9 plus 5 by 4. If we take LCM 4, that will be minus 9 into 4, 36 plus 5, and our answer will be minus 31 by 4. Clear? I don't think anybody have any issue. किसी को भी कोई issue नहीं होना चाहिए. Quite clear to all of you. Very good. Next question. Next बच्चों अपन आ गए कहाँ पर? Yes. Algebraic identities पर. Where we study about what? Identities. Yes. Let's go for it. What is given to us? If x plus y is equals to 12 and x into y is what? 27. Find the value of x cube plus y cube. What we have to find? X cube plus y cube. So guys, before solving it, we have a short trick also. What I am saying, if x plus y, I need two numbers which have sum is what? 12 and product is what? 27. So can I take x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 3? Yes or no? I am telling you direct approach and also telling you the basic approach which we have to follow. Both methods I will tell you. First I will tell you objective approach. Okay, method 1, M1. So what should I get? X equal to 9 and y is equal to 3. Putting here x cube plus y cube. It will be 9 cube plus 3 cube. Okay guys. So 9 cube will be, you know that, it will be 729 plus 3 cube will be 27. 9 plus 7, 16. 2 to 4, 1, 5. Answer will be 756. Method 1. But this method you can use in the competitive exams. For the board exams, what you have to follow? You know that guys, this formula x cube plus y cube will be what? I can write it x plus y whole cube minus 3xy bracket of x plus. Yes or no? चलिए, x plus y whole cube 12 cube. Okay guys, minus of 3 times of x into y 27 and x plus y will be 12. Okay, so if I take 12 common, it remains what? 12 square minus 27 into 3, 81. It will be 12 into 144 minus 81. So that will be 12 into 63. And when we multiplied it, that gives me 756. So answer will be coming same from both the options. But guys, in the board exams, CBSE exams, you have to follow this method. While in the competitive exams, you can proceed by this approach also. Because there you have to pick only the right answer. Okay? Check. Find the value of m so that 2x minus 1 be a factor of this. Chaliye. I'll give you 45 seconds to solve it. First, all of you try it. Can you do it or not? Then we will discuss it. Okay? हम्म चलिए बच्चों, हमको फाइंड करनी है क्या, वैल्यू ऑफ m when 2x minus 1 be a factor of this. What I can do, let's see. First I have to do what, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, we have to put this value here, so that will be 8 multiplied by 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus 4x cube. X cube means 1 by 2 whole cube minus of 16x square 1 by 2 whole square plus 10 times of x plus m is equals to 0. चलिए 8 into 1 by 2 whole 4 will be 1 by 60 plus 4 into 1 by 2 whole cube will be 1 by 8 minus 16 into 1 by 4 plus 10 by 2 plus m is equal to 0. So here guys, 8 upon 16 will be what, 1 by 2 plus 4 upon 8 is what, 1 by 2 minus 4 plus 5 plus m is equals to 0. Okay, so that will be 1 plus 1 plus m is equal to 0. So what we will get, the value of m will be minus 2. Okay, so that's another question which is important in 2 marks. Okay, means finding a value of any unknown variable. Okay, what I do here, simply I'll take x equal to 1 by 2 and putting in this polynomial. Okay, so 1 by 2 4 will be 1 by 16, 1 by 2 cube will be 1 by 8, and 1 by 4 will be this 10 by 2 plus m is equal to 0. M is equal to minus 2 will be your final answer. Clear guys? Next, अब next है descriptive questions based on your polynomial. Before discussing this question, I'm just going to recall you the concept of polynomial. So guys, when we study about the polynomial, I will tell you two categories of polynomials. आपको दो कैटेगरी बच्चों मैंने डिफाइन की थी polynomials की. Hope so you both reminded. Yes. What? First is what? On the basis of number of terms. On the basis of number of terms, and second is what, on the basis of degree. Yes or no? Yes. और डिग्री के बिहाफ पर बच्चों जब हम बात करते थे, then what we talk, first is constant polynomial, second is linear polynomial, third is quadratic polynomial, next is cubic polynomial, and last is biquadratic polynomial. These are the classifications on the basis of what? Degree. And when we talk about on the basis of number of terms, what we convey? Monomial, next is binomial, next trinomial, and last is what? Multinomial. These are the classifications which I tell you when we study polynomial conceptual classes. Okay, so what they ask to us, they are talking about what? First part, monomial of degree 1. Guys, monomial means number of terms will be 1, and degree 1 means it will be a linear polynomial. Okay, so can I write what? 10x Yes or no? I can write also x. Okay, yeah, ठीक है. Second is what? Binomial of degree 20. यानी बच्चों number of terms will be 2 and degree will be 20. That means I can write x to the power 20 plus 7. Either I can write y to the power 20 plus 3y square plus 7. So degree is the, oh no, y to the power 20 plus 3y square, because it may be a binomial. Number of terms will be 2. Third part is what? Trinomial of degree 2. Trinomial of degree 2 means number of terms should be 3. So I can write x square plus 3x plus 2. So number of terms should be 1, 2, 3 and degree is 2. Clear है सबको? Everyone clear? Go. Without plotting the points, indicate the quadrant in which they will lie. मतलब क्या कह रहे हैं? Points को आप plot मत कीजिए. Don't plot the points and you have to tell me in which quadrant this point are lying. Okay? Yes. चलिए, तो what I can do? बच्चों फर्स्ट पार्ट की अपन बात करें. लेट्स टेक दैट पॉइंट वाज P. Point is P. Ordinate is 5 and abscissa is 3. Abscissa is your x coordinate, ordinate is y coordinate. Okay. Similarly for second part, if I take that point was Q, abscissa is -5, ordinate is -3. Third point, -5 and 3. Fourth point, abscissa is 3, ordinate is 5. Clear everyone? Okay. चलिए अब क्या करते हैं अपन? अब मुझे बताया बच्चों यहाँ पर क्या है? X is negative and y is positive. So you all know x negative, y positive is in which quadrant? Quadrant number 2nd. Yes or no? Here x negative, y negative, both will be negative in which? 3rd quadrant. Yes or no? Again here is what? X negative, y positive, quadrant number 2nd, and both will be positive in which quadrant? 1st quadrant. Clear everyone? Yes or no? Quickly tell me. Yes or no? Okay, very good. Next question on your display. Which of the following point lie on the y axis? Chaliye, I'll give you 60 seconds for solving it. Go everyone. Total 60 seconds I am giving to all of you for solving out this question. Okay, beautiful question. Simply this question can ask in 2 marks in your CBSE exams. Lie on the y-axis. Okay बच्चों, तो चलिए what we can do? Okay, we can plot a what? A Cartesian plane. Can I plot it? Can I plot it, guys? Tell me. Okay, like this. I can plot it. Okay. What is this? Point A is 1, 1 comes like that. Not like. Point B is what? 1, 0. X is 1, y is 0. Point B comes like that. Point C 0, 1. Yes, that come on the y-axis. Point C 0, 1. Point D 0, 0. Yes. Point E 0 comma minus 1. Point F minus 1 and 0. Point Z 0 and 5, like this. Point H minus 7 comma 0. And point I 3 comma 3. So guys, what I can see? Yeah, I can clearly see that only the 4 points G 0 comma 5, C 0 comma 1, D 0 comma 0 and E 0 comma minus 1. Only these 4 points lie on the y-axis. Clear guys? Next question. Find out the coordinates of the point. Okay. चलिए फर्स्ट पार्ट आपसे क्या बोल रहा है? फर्स्ट पार्ट की बात करें, which lie on the x and y axis both. So guys, you know that on the Cartesian plane there is only a single point. What is called origin, which lie on the both the axis, and that coordinates will be what? 0 comma 0. Second is what? Whose ordinate is minus 4. Means y coordinate क्या है बच्चों? Minus 4 and lie on the y axis. If that point lie on the y axis, that means coordinate of x will be 0. X coordinate will be 0. So that will lie here approx 0 comma minus 4 is the coordinate. So for B part, answer will be 0 comma minus 4. For part A, that will be 0 comma 0. Clear everyone? Okay. Next is 3 vertices of a rectangle are this. Plot these points on the graph paper. Yes. Sorry, not 3, it's a 4 vertices. Little bit typing error beta. Not an issue. Not an issue. No? 4 vertices. सिंपल. प्लॉटिंग पर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है आपके हाफ ईयर एग्जाम्स में, श्योरली आएगा बच्चों स्कूल एग्जाम्स में. तो फिर से वी हैव टू प्लॉट व्हाट? कार्टेशियन प्लेन. व्हाट वी हैव टू सी? 3,2 means both x and y are positive. So if I take it as 1 2 3 and take it as 1 2 3 like that. 3,2. Next is second point, minus 4,2. X is minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1 and 2. Like that. You can take it like A, B, C and D. So point A is on your display like that. Point B is like that. Okay, and going for next 2 points. Third point is what? Minus 4 and minus 5. So I can plot like this: minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5, like that. So that will be point C and minus 4 and minus 5. And D will be 2 comma minus 7 plus 2 and x will be minus 7. So like minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. Okay. So that will be your point D. 2 and minus 7. So easily you can plot these points on your graph paper. Okay. Next. Determine the point on the graph of the equation whose x coordinate is 5 by 2 times its ordinate. Whose x coordinate? Okay, so guys, let's take x coordinate is x. It's 5 by 2 times of its ordinate, means y coordinate. That means 2x is equals to 5y. So you can put this value here in the equation. So equation is 2x plus 5y is equal to 20, and we get 2x equal to 5y. 5y plus 5y is equal to 20. That will be 10y, which equals to 20. Y will be 2. So y की value क्या आ गई अपनी 2, and if y will be 2, that means 2x is equal to 10 and x will be 5. So guys, what the point I will have if I take point P, that will be 5 comma 2, and we have to plot on the graph. Then this point lie on the first quadrant because x and y both coordinates are positive. It is 1, it is 2. That point like this. That point is P5 comma 2. Okay guys, I don't think anybody of you have any type of issue. Next, if x and y in the equations, these are 4 and 5 respectively. Again बच्चों, linear equation in two variables का simple सा 2 marks का question है आपके सामने. Yes, this question gives you 2 marks in your half yearly exams. What is given to you? X and y are given what? 4 and 5. Okay, so going for it, 2x plus cy is equals to 8. X is 4. 2 into 4 plus c into y will be 5 is equals to 8. 2 into 4 8 plus 5c is equal to 8. 5c is equal to 0. And guys, what is the value of c will get? C will be 0. Okay. Yes. So that also a question basic where the unknown variables can ask you. Okay. Next. Find the solution of linear equation which represents a point on x-axis and y-axis. Up again, that will be an important one again for your 4 marks. Yes guys, this question can give you 4 marks in your exams. What they convey? First, write down the equation. X plus 2y is equals to 8. And what we know guys? What we know? On x-axis, I will tell you many times guys, on x-axis y coordinate is 0. So if we put y is equal to 0 here, that means x plus 0 is equal to 8. Value of x is 8. So point is what? 8 comma 0. Clear? For the part 1. If we go for part 2, that will be x plus 2y is equals to 8, and we can say what? On y-axis x will be 0, so it will be 0 plus 2y is equals to 8, and y will be 8 upon 2 will be 4, so point will be 0 comma 4. Clear everyone? So yes, अब guys, now you have to focus very well. Recap करें बच्चों आज की क्लास को. Yes, तो हमने डिस्कस क्या किया? I will tell you out what. Yes, from the chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, most important question for your half yearly exams. अब what's your task for today? Yes, ask me anything. You can ask any doubt. Okay, जो भी हमने डिस्कस किया है वो आप आस्क कर सकते हो. यस, कब पूछ सकते हो? यस बच्चों, इवनिंग में डेली एट 9 PM वी आर मीटिंग ऑन स्पेशल क्लासेज. आप स्पेशल क्लासेज में मुझसे अपने डाउट्स और क्वेरी पूछ सकते हो. यस, लाइव क्विजेस. यस बच्चों, अनअकैडमी प्रोवाइड द चांस टू जॉइन लाइव क्विजेस ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी सब्जेक्ट्स. यस, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? You have to download the Unacademy learning app to participate in the quiz to enhance or improve your practice on your respective subject. Okay, next. अब हाउ यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर लर्निंग। अब आज की क्लास से बच्चों कंक्लूजन अपन निकालेंगे, तो व्हाट वी कैन कंक्लूड। अब व्हाट शुड टुडे टारगेट, आपका आज का टारगेट क्या होना चाहिए। यू हैव टू सॉल्व आउट ऑल द क्वेश्चंस बाय योरसेल्फ। बच्चों अभी तो मैंने सिंपली सॉल्व किए, तो यू कैन इजीली से यस सर, बट नाउ यू कैन टेक ऑल द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर डिस्कस एज योर होमवर्क and solve all the question by your own. Let's crack it. Yes, इन सारे क्वेश्चन को आप एग्जैक्टली कब कर पाओगे। इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स एंड क्वेरी, इवनिंग स्पेशल क्लास में आप डिस्कस कर सकते हो मेरे से। रिवीजन क्या क्या करना है आपने, व्हाट यू हैव टू रिवाइज, ऑल द इंपोर्टेंट फॉर्मूलाज एंड डेफिनेशंस ऑफ रियल नंबर्स, फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स एंड कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री। ऑल द इंपोर्टेंट फॉर्मूलाज आपको क्या करने हैं बच्चों, रिकॉल कर लेने हैं, सो दैट योर ग्रास्पिंग विल नेवर बी लूज अप। ओके, चलिए बात करें हम होमवर्क की। यस, नेक्स्ट क्लास के लिए क्या प्रिपेयर करके आना है आपने, सो दैट यू कैन इजीली अंडरस्टूड व्हाट वी आर गोइंग ऑन। ट्राइंगल्स एंड लाइंस एंड एंगल्स। यस, आपने क्या करना है, नेक्स्ट क्लास तक रिकॉल करनी है ट्राइंगल्स एंड लाइंस एंड एंगल्स में द थिंग्स व्हिच आई डिस्कस विद यू ऑलरेडी। ओके, यस, नाउ गाइस मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट। यस, so all of many of you asked to me, sir, how we start study proper way with Unacademy. Yes, so guys, from class 9 to 12 subscription details are on your display. अब एडवांटेजेस क्या क्या है आपके पास, व्हाट आर द फीचर्स विच यू विल गेट। डेली लाइव क्लासेस फॉर ऑल सब्जेक्ट। सबसे पहली चीज, आपको आपके सब्जेक्ट्स की डेली लाइव क्लासेस मिलने वाली हैं। वीकली क्विजेस, एंड यू नो दैट on the Saturday and Sunday we have a quiz day to improve your grasp. Next, doubt solving live classes. On the plus students, if you take any subscription with Unacademy, guys, after every 2 classes we have one doubt class for clarifying your all the doubts. Okay, practice questions and test series. So if you are going for any subscription, don't forget my code AMCBSE or SPAG10, SPAG10. Apply this code and get 10% discount. Now, what Unacademy launches new? अभी तक बच्चों हम बात करते थे प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शंस की, बट नाउ यू हैव अ बेटर सर्विस, या बेटर मतलब न्यूएस्ट एडवांटेज फ्रॉम Unacademy, आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन। अब आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन बच्चों एडवांटेज क्या है आपको, दीज ऑल 4 फीचर्स विच यू विल गेट इन प्लस आर सेम एज इट इज, बट व्हाट एडिशनल थिंग यू विल गेट फ्रॉम हियर। फर्स्ट थिंग इज पर्सनल मेंटर, आपको प्रोवाइड होगा एक पर्सनल मेंटर टू असेस टू एनालाइज एवरीथिंग। आपको किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में कोई भी दिक्कत है, यू कैन कन्वे विद देम एंड ही और शी विल सॉल्व आउट श्योरली। नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट, लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशन। पेरेंट कॉन्टेक्ट, यस, आपके पेरेंट से भी कॉन्टेक्ट रहेगा, दे कैन ऑल्सो कॉन्टेक्ट टू अवर टीम एंड डिस्कस अबाउट योर प्रोग्रेस, योर वीकनेस, योर स्ट्रेंथ, एवरीथिंग। मैनेज स्टडी प्लानर, आपको यस वेल एजुकेटेड एक्सपीरियंस फैकल्टीज के द्वारा प्रॉपर प्लानर प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा कि फ्रॉम व्हाट टाइम ड्यूरेशन व्हाट चैप्टर यू हैव टू बी फिनिश्ड अप। ओके, यस, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट join iconic subscription for better preparation of your study. Okay, yeah, चलिए अब बात करें एडवांटेज। यस, Unacademy plans some creative things for you. On the 17th October, schedules are at your display, and similarly on 18th of October, yes, note down the timings also. I'll tell to all of you what we are going on: Vedic maths, poetry, storytelling, robotics, mnemonics, debating, magic tricks, public speaking and doodling. Yes, many things are planned up on the 17th or 18th of October. Okay, chaliye. Yes guys, so many of live teachers across all parts of India are here to teach you, to guide you. A lot of courses are launches for you. Okay, so you can also join Prime Batch, full syllabus coverage from CBSE 21, Monday to Saturday, Precision Batch, full pre-revision for pre-boards, मैथ्स एंड साइंस के लिए है बच्चों. लेट्स क्रैक एनसीईआरटी. yes, so all classes will be conducted. The main advantage what? हिंदी as well as English. आपके पास एडवांटेज है, you can choose हिंदी और इंग्लिश, योर प्रिफर्ड लैंग्वेज. करना क्या है बच्चों, आपने प्ले स्टोर और ऐप स्टोर पर जाकर अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप को डाउनलोड कर लेना है. okay, and start study with Unacademy and feel that difference. So that's all for today. Meet you tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.